Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to put a trombone together, okay? So, I'm going to put you right here, and I'm going to show you how to put a trombone together. Okay guys, so I'm opening it right now. As you probably heard, this is the slide for the trombone. Mine might not look like some of them, but it's a good one. I got it from Ted Brown Music. So get one if you're going to get one at all. Get one from Ted Brown Music because these ones are awesome. Okay, so I have it together kind of. I'm putting the mouthpiece in. Okay, so I have it together. See? I'll show you right here. So you guys are going to be right there. See, look, the whole thing's together. Now I'm going to try a race car sound. Ready? Now I'm going to try an airplane. Okay, so see this? This is the trombone. This is a slider. So, let me know in the comments if you think that was good. Also, if you want to look inside what it looks like. So, see the thing on the end right there? That pull thing? It's the spit valve. Watch this. And listen. That's the end of the video, guys. Okay? Bye. Alright, that's the end of the video, okay? Bye, guys.